My name is Kevin Bao. I would like to give a speech on leap years. Leap years comes every 4 years, and we need leap years so the calendar can stay in sync with the tropical year. Without leap years, our calendar would slowly get out of drift, and after a few hundred years, the seasons would be flipped. And after 700 years or so, Christmas would show up in summer, which would be crazy, and Independence Day would be in the winter, which would also be crazy. Leap years are very important so the calendars can stay in sync. We have to skip a leap year every century, or else the calendar will be off by 128. Well, the calendar will be off by one day after 128 years. So we have to skip one every now and then. Leap years can help the calendar stay in sync, and it is important to have it every 4 years. We add a leap year back every 400 years after skipping one in every century, and this is also important since we have to have a leap year every 4 years so the springtime can start at the exact time frame, and so as summer, fall and winter, or otherwise it would be a mess and the seasons won't start at the exact timing if we didn't have leap years, which would be crazy. That's why it is important to have leap years so the earth can stay in sync with the sun. And it is important. I also propose that we should skip a leap year every 3,200 years so the calendars could also be more accurate and as possible. Or otherwise, the calendars would slowly get out of drift if we don't skip a leap year every 3,200 years. We need leap years, and leap years are necessary for the calendars to stay in sync. If we don't have leap years every century, the calendar will drift by 24 days,